Hey guys, Keepstone here. Today we are unboxing the Marvel Collector Corps Superhero Showdowns box. So, this box is the box that we were talking about. Let's see what's inside. We got the knife. Let's cut this thing open. Alright. I have not seen anything in this box, so all these reactions are 100% legit. Dude, the patch is really cool. We got a patch here with Iron Man and Ultron. That's it in the wrapper. Let's take that out real quick. If you know the plastic wants to cooperate. And that's that patch. It's a really good looking patch actually. And the pin, what is the pin actually? We got Hulk versus Red Hulk. That's actually pretty cool. Let's open that up and show the camera real quick. Oh, we got it upside down. Hulk versus Red Hulk right there. It's pretty cool. Alright, now on the inside so far we got like Captain America, Red Skull, Daredevil, Bullseye, Doc Ock, Spider-Man. You can't see that. I'll take a picture. It'll be on my Instagram. Oh, we got a shirt for that. Okay, so here's this. Just gonna put that off to the side. We got a shirt and it has Spider. Okay. I totally called this. What it is it's Spider-Man and the Green Goblin. Just alright, and then we'll just bring that up more. Now this is a really cool shirt. The day when rivals crash, don't miss the battle of the century. A hero forever changed. Dude, this is literally cool. And I totally called it that they'd put a Spider-Man and Green Goblin thing in here. Oh. We got another 2-pack. And this is exclusive to Marvel Collector Corps. And it's Daredevil and Bullseye Pop. That's really cool. We'll open her up and see what it's like. Oh, come on. You want to open up? There we go. So Daredevil's in this like fighting stance. That's actually really cool. It's like a black and red Daredevil. That's actually pretty cool. And then we got Bullseye here with, I don't know what those are called, and is playing on a spade. Playing card and ace spade. That's really cool. I love Marvel Pops. They're so much better because they have the bobblehead. And, I don't know, I just love the sound of the bobble. Alright, next we have pint-sized heroes, Red Skull and Captain America. There's the Red Skull one, and there's the Captain America. We'll just rip those open. I've never seen these before. They're like little dorbs, except for they don't smile. I like these, actually. Because I like the shape of a dorb, I just don't like the look of its face. So that's the Red Skull one. And there's the cap, but it's like the classic Captain America shield, the old-fashioned one from... I don't know a lot about Captain America, but I know in the movie that was his first shield before the vibranium shield. And last but not least, we have the comic, and it is an Inhumans comic with Wolverine versus Sabretooth on the front. And that's really cool. So, next box, like duh, Next box is Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. That's gonna be exciting. So, on the back, as always, it tells you how they made everything, why they chose it. But I think it's a pretty cool box. So, if you don't know about Marvel Collector Corps and you're new, I'll put the link to the site down below. Check them out. It's $20, $25 a month. Every other month. In Canada, it's like, because the dollar's crappy, it's like 50, but like, it all adds up. And if you love Marvel and Pop, or you just like Marvel, like, you can start getting into Pops. It's a really cool box. Anyway, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be in the next video after the wisdom teeth thing, because that will suck. But until then, rock on, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.